Hey, what you're about to see is the first lesson from one of Goalie's video classes teaching kids life skills. Go to getgoalie.com or stick around to the end of the video to learn more.
Today, we're going to learn how to make the bed. It's important to make the bed so that our room stays neat and tidy. If we don't make our bed, the linens could get dirty and our room will look messy. To make the bed, first we have to put the sheets on the mattress. Then, we'll put the pillowcases on the pillows. And finally, we'll put a blanket or comforter on top. Let's watch Corey make her bed. First, she needs to put on the fitted sheet. This sheet has elastic bands at the corners and sides so that it fits tightly around the mattress. There is a tag on the sheet that will help Corey know which way to put it on. Corey should put the corner with the tag on the bottom corner of the mattress. Then, she needs to stretch out each corner of the sheet and pull it down onto the mattress until it stays. If the sheet comes off, she can try it again. She needs to make sure all four corners are pulled all the way down on the mattress. Corey can then put the flat sheet on top and tuck it in if she likes. Good job, Corey! Your turn to practice. You have a pile of clean sheets ready to go. What should you do now? You can just throw the flat sheet on top of your bare mattress, or you can put out the fitted sheet first before the flat sheet.
This was just the first of a 3-part class on Goalie. To unlock the rest of the course, go to getgoalie.com. Your kids will learn way better on Goalie's distraction-free tablet, and you'll get access to hundreds of more video courses and routines to help them practice too. Drop a like and subscribe, and comment what you want us to teach your kid next.